MWMTA salutes Laura L. Gamble, Regional President, Greater Maryland Region, and PNC Bank as a 2021 COVID-19 hero. We've all been learning how to live with COVID-19 for more than a year. It has affected all aspects of our lives, including our families. How we accomplish everyday tasks, how we conduct business and do our jobs. Our largest corporations and government agencies have had to learn how to cope quickly during the worldwide pandemic, implement the necessary solutions, while keeping employees and customers safe. One of those companies is PNC Bank. PNC Bank offers a wide range of services for all customers, from individuals and small businesses to corporations and government entities. No matter how simple or complicated your needs are, they are sure to have the products, knowledge, and resources necessary for financial success. More than 8 million customers and small businesses use their various deposit, lending, credit card, cash management, and investment services. You can find PNC branches, solution centers, and ATMs across the Mid-Atlantic, Midwest, and Southeast.
I think like every company, we had to scramble at first in March of 2020 to deal with the lockdown. We quickly adapted our business model in order to keep our employees safe and to be able to serve our customers safely. That included remote working where we could do that, closing some branch lobbies, and putting our workforce on a 2-week on, 2-week off schedule to reduce their contact with others. As the year progressed, we moved back to a more normal schedule. We were able to open our lobbies and meet with clients in person when needed. We have made it through the year well and did not make any workforce changes due to the pandemic. In fact, we actually agreed to acquire the domestic operations of BBVA in the middle of the pandemic. We anticipate that transaction will close mid-2021. The biggest challenge we had keeping our employees safe during COVID-19 was obviously making ourselves available to our customers while also keeping people healthy. As the pandemic continued, we shifted a lot of our contact with customers online where we could, with video calling and other technological solutions. We installed a lot of plexiglass, aids to help people socially distance, and for those who are in some of our offices, they are still on a 2-week on, 2-week off schedule in order to keep distance where we can between employees. We also remind people constantly to wear a mask, wash your hands, and socially distance, not just when you're in the office. We have continued to reach out to our diverse suppliers during the pandemic. Our business bankers are continually looking to connect with diverse companies and assist them with their banking needs, as well as helping them sign up with our supplier diversity program through our portal. You can find it at pnc.com, then go to About PNC, then choose Corporate Responsibility. Then you should see our supplier diversity page and the button that says Register. We were also very engaged in the payroll protection program, both in 2020 and currently. In 2020, 80% of our PPP loans went to small businesses with an average loan amount of $150,000 or less, which included a lot of our supplier diversity participants. We're very driven to help our community, and last year was no different. In addition to our usual philanthropy, we made over $800,000 in grants specifically for the social safety net, for our healthcare providers to make sure they had the PPE they needed, and to organizations that provide small business support because they really needed it during the pandemic. In general, I just have to say how proud I am of all the members of the PNC Greater Maryland team, and we appreciate this recognition by your organization. Everyone has worked so hard in the last year to make sure our customers were taken care of, and they also took great care of each other as well. There are so many examples of people going above and beyond in our organization, especially during that first round of the payroll protection program. The process was very bumpy and was continually changing for the banks and the customers. And customers were very frightened because they were worried about losing their businesses altogether. So it was very hard for everyone, but our team literally worked night and day to get everyone who applied through the program. Anyone who had any credit experience in the company was involved. I was talking to customers all over the country, as were my counterparts, trying to help them complete their applications. We had bankers on 3 shifts, literally working overnight to get applications approved and submitted to the SBA. And ultimately, we did 70,500 loans in that first round. It was a huge achievement. And now we're doing it again, although it's a little calmer this go around.
Thank you, Laura L. Gamble, Regional President, Greater Maryland Region. We salute you and PNC Bank as a 2021 COVID-19 hero.